Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can add Roman numbers or numerals to your documents on Microsoft Word. So let us dive into this now, shall we? So what you want to do, guys, here on your text document is click on Insert here at the top and take a look at that menu of tabs here at the top and select Symbol here at the very right hand side, and below that you will see a list of available symbols. So what you want to do is gain access to more symbols by clicking on it, and here what you want to do, guys, in that window is head over to Font and click on that arrow down icon to open up the drop down menu and select MS Gothic as your font. And here to the right where it says subset, click again on that arrow down icon and look for a feature called number forms or subset called number forms. And after that, you will be given access to a list of Roman numbers below, like that one here or that one. So let me add, for instance, the number 10, which is an X. Click on it with your left mouse and add it to your text by clicking on Insert here. And let me add another one like 100, which is C in Roman numerals. Click on Insert. A 5, which is V, and so on and so forth, guys. So what you want to do is close that window and simply copy your Roman numerals, for instance, or apply or add other ones. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you add Roman numerals to your document on Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you later.